पराशर जी जिनके माध्यम से भगवान का इतना बड़ा विग्रह यहाँ विराजमान हो रहा है, तो श्री लाजपत पराशर जी को मैं आमंत्रित करूंगा और दो शब्द कह के उसका फिर अगला कर। जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम। दो शब्दों से ज्यादा होगा शास्त्री जी। आप सभी आए हुए यहाँ भाई बहनों, बच्चों और बुजुर्गों को प्रेम और सत्कार के साथ नमस्कार। This thing is possible only because Acharya Surinder Sharma Shastri ji accepted my request on my 70th birthday that my family will donate this Lord Rama's statue to this temple. It took almost 4 years to complete, but we completed it. My special thanks to the people who have made it happen. The structural engineer, Rajan is here from IBL, my construction worker, Tyler, my Mexican crew, Angel and Israel, all these people, my electrician, all of them, especially this fellow, a Muslim friend, made this in 8 hours, Jai Shri Ram, this sign. Ramji is symbol of unity. There's inclusiveness was promoted by the teaching of Ramji. So we are here. If you look at my politician friends, they represent an inclusive spectrum of politicians. So we have politicians from every faith coming. And that was the Ram Rajya. That was the philosophy of Lord Ram. When Lord Ram came, there was no religion, no division, no small guy, big guy. There was no caste system. So Ramji came for mankind. Ramji came for human being. So Ramji's value, peace, fairness, social justice, integrity, loyalty, and obedience. That's what Ramji's teaching is, which applies to every human on earth. So this morning we completed the 3-day process to bring Ramji from heaven to earth. So you're going to see in a short while, Ramji will descend here to bless every one of you and every human on earth. My friends, we Sanatan Dharmi, follower of Vedic culture, commonly known as Hindu, we believe we are born to love another human and serve God. In itself, we believe we are born to love other human. And a flame which is not hot cannot be called fire. A white powder, if it's not sweet, it cannot be called sugar. Similarly, if human does not love and show affection to the other human, you're not human. You would be something else. So whether you love every human or your wife, we are born to love other human. That's our faith. We came here with very small amount of money, $6.40 in my pocket 54 years ago. But we came rich, our DNA rich with spiritual knowledge, with Adi Shankaracharya, with Guru Nanak Dev Ji, or Gurbani, or Hamare Ved, or Bhagavad Gita. We came with our DNA full of spiritual knowledge. We brought our spirituality to this nation. The first Indian in 1897 from my state Punjab, Kesar Singh. He came to Canada in 1897 to celebrate Queen's Victoria Diamond Jubilee. He stayed here. From one Punjabi, Kesar Singh, in 1905 we had 4,000. They faced a lot of problems, but they set grounds for us. Now we are in the fruit of their hard work, their suffering in Canada in 1904. But now, look, we were striving to have one politician. Look how many we have now. Our own Anita Anand, Foreign Minister of this great nation. Our own Maninder Sidhu. Look, he is the International Trade Minister. And my new friend, Shafaqat Ali, President of Treasury Board, man with a bag of money. And I just came to know him last Sunday. And he's so humble, I can't believe. His director Muhammad surprised me this morning. He called me, he said, you choose the time, you come to Minister's office, we will entertain you in Ottawa. We have such a good people here. Richie, Minister, I'm sorry, I should say honorable to you guys. And then we have our PC, Minister Nina Tangri, and Andrew Scheer, and my MP, Amarjeet, and I think here, and then my very, very friendly Amarjot. So we are here to, here. So this is a great moment. It's a great day for Mississauga, Canada, and it's a great day for our Prasher family. My nephew, where is he? Sanjay Prasher. He graduated with PhD from American University. First Prasher kid to graduate with a PhD. So we are proud of Sanjay. I don't know where he is. He's here somewhere. So it's a great thing that we are gathered today, and all that DNA we brought from India. Spirituality from Adi Shankaracharya, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, bravery from Dashmesh Pita, Guru Gobind Singh, Char Sahibzade, Maharana Pratap, Jhansi Ki Rani, Shivaji Maratha, Lakshmi Bai. We have all those DNA. We are not supposed to be afraid of anything in Canada. My political friend, they tell me, one of the friend I said I am scared one day. He said, don't tell me that again, that you are scared in Canada. We have nothing to be scared of in Canada. We are brave people, we stand up our dharma. We propagate our dharma here in Canada and all over the world. Now, all those things we brought here, and I cannot forget, I cannot leave this stage without talking about Canada. This is a great nation. I came with $6.40 in my pocket, and I was able to do this task after 54 years. In 1867, my friends, I'm going to tell you this. In 1867, when our founding father sat in one room and carved this great country known as Canada, they set up sound public policy which were inclusive and friendly to minorities, including our people. So from 1867 to now, starting with Sir John A. Macdonald, first Prime Minister, to current Prime Minister Carney, they all have that in mind in their DNA to produce loving, minority-friendly. A lot of work was done by Jean Augustine on the multiculturalism. So we have great things. Now, one of the greatest prime ministers of all time is considered Mr. Trudeau. Yes. Pierre Elliott Trudeau. I'm sorry, messed up the name. Pierre Elliott Trudeau. He brought our constitution from England. When he brought our constitution, he gave us charter of right and freedom. My friend, it's that charter of right which gives me freedom here to speak today fearlessly. It's that charter of right that we have this institution. It's that charter of right that we have this statue. It's that charter of right that my next generation will flourish here in Canada. It's that charter of right that you are sitting here all listening to me. And this is a great country. We love this country. When we took the oath of citizenship, we have to remember that. We have to remember when we took the oath of citizenship, we said something that we would be loyal to this country. We love our country, India. India is a great country. Every country wants to go there, do business. Every citizen of the world wants to go there. Look at, we are ahead of most of the other country. 1 billion biometric human database. Nobody has it. 1 billion biometric database. Over 1 million cell phone. No country has it. 250 million middle class. We are generating our own demand. We don't want to rely on other country. We can feed ourselves. We can generate ourselves. We can generate the economy. We can trigger the economy. Wait. 350 million English-speaking youth is our strength of our country. So, we came a long way from 1947, and our country is booming. Our country is fourth biggest economy in the world. We beat England and Japan. India is going to beat soon Germany. We would be third largest economy in the world. And I can guarantee you, in few years, we would be second largest economy in the world. Who doesn't want to do business with India? We have lots of good things going on in both countries. I am thankful to Prime Minister Carney for appointing Anita Anand as Foreign Minister and my dear friend Maninder as International Trade Minister. Can you believe? Young man from roots in Punjab is International Trade Minister. What more do you want? What more do you want in Canada? Sometimes some people, some organizations, some countries say things which we don't like. We have to ignore them. We keep on marching to the higher ground. We keep on marching with Canada to the higher ground. We keep on marching with India to the higher ground. One day we're going to be superpower in the world with Canada, India together. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you so much. Boom. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. I think I took more time than my MC wanted, but I had to say these things as my MC here.
बहुत पराशर जी गर्म है बहुत ज़्यादा, लेकिन अब आप खड़े रहिए। पराशर जी के एक बार जोर से तालीम दा दी, क्योंकि he is a backbone, he is a biggest student.